It's
First one, remains established.
mm-hmm.
Move this off to your left when you have a chance. All we're going to do is just push it into the body.
Okay.
Remember, gate towards the device. Lock that in.
Okay.
It's up to you. Feel free to check it, shock load it, slam it down. When you get to the bottom,
Mm-hmm.
release it.
Okay.
The biggest thing with this one is always make sure, that's why I have to check them, is that you gotta capture the rope and
Mm-hmm.
the body of the carabiner. The old ones, we go with these now because I've seen a lot of guys miss the rope. Capture the body,
Nice.
miss the rope.
Okay.
So just do a quick one.
Yeah. Got it. All right.
Is that
Good.
over?
Okay.
Alright, just give him some room so he can climb over. Keep that weight on the rope still so he has. Pardon me? Enough room, JT?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's indexed. Back a little bit more that way. Remember, you're gonna spider this, right? You're gonna focus on the wall.
Uh-huh.
Get your feet over.
Mm-hmm.
And this will be the last thing to go over. Keep your foot as long as you can on here.
Mm-hmm.
As you're going, hugging the wall.
Okay.
Let go, and then this foot will be the last thing to drop over. Don't grab the ropes.
Okay. So just let my gear
Let your gear do the work.
snap in place. Okay.
Check your index one more time. Make sure you're not going to go a little bit too far. Looks good. Hold these for you. Stay separated. Make sure it reaches over to. Oh, yeah, let's push it.
Yeah. Yep, it's right there. Okay. 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 Ready?
There you go. Smooth back. This leg's going to hold on as long as it can, right?
Okay. Yep. Yep. Definitely on the Grigri.
Once he's ready to go, you can start feeding some weight of it. Once he's adjusted, make sure to keep this your hand will always stay above the thing. But if this chocolate, you don't want your hand over it.
Okay.
So make sure you keep your hands underneath.
Underneath it? Okay. Alright.
Most important thing is your GoPro on.
Okay. Alright. My ASAP looks like it's hanging up. Okay. That's all gotta come underneath me. Yeah. I'm watching, yeah. Okay. Looks like some of that got cut. There we go. Okay. And we are money. Got twisted. Okay. Cool beans.
Have fun, buddy.
Yep. I'll see you down.
Catch your feet. Get on your feet.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Thank you. All right, there we go. Around? Like that? Okay.
Yeah, you always want your hands below that ASAP if you can. Underneath. Put it in there, yeah.
There you go. Okay. What's that? Easy peasy. About halfway down. Yeah. Doing all right. This is good shit. Good stuff. Well, here I am. Oh, my GoPro recording. I am about halfway down Hoover Dam. It's a good time. Having a good time over here. It's beautiful, it's serene, it's quiet. A little cold, but not bad. But yeah, almost there. Got about halfway to go. And yeah, I know someone else is looking. Yeah, people are watching, so time to go. I'll see you down at the bottom. old that piece of metal is right there, sticking out, chilling. It's probably a couple hundred feet up. Ooh, smell that. Smell that cooking rope. I'm sure that gree-gree is nice and warm. Ooh, that gree-gree's hot. Woo! There it goes. Okay. Underneath. All right. Look at that. And we are on the ground. And go that is good. Just go to the edge. Where do we go? Well, that sucks.